What's up, nail geeks, and welcome back to another Great Lakes Lacquer video. This month I have the polish pickup rewind to show you all, as previously promised on my PPU video. We have the return of part one of two small batch releases. These were small batches that were released last year. They sold out super quick. This is going to be part one of it, and the butt label of the stickers to these bottles do not have the letters SB. So if you end up picking these up in DESTASHs or anything, you will note that that's not there. So these are not the initial release, but they are as close to as humanly possible to the original releases. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I figured I'd start this off with the Polish Pickup Rewind Polish. This is Lake Superior Shenanigans, a snow white base with extra green to blue to purple to pink shifting Aurora shimmer and a touch of scattered holographic effect. This is beautiful shimmer power going on the nails. It's like, I don't know, if Sailor Moon could be in a bottle. This is what it makes me think of, and it's so easy to build up to opacity. 2 coats is all you need. It dries down really flat, so use a good glossy top coat, and I think 2 coats was perfect. I know that pain and I won't run away like I used to do is a bright chartreuse green filled with red to orange to gold shifting shimmer. This is a very flattering type of chartreuse. Maybe it's because it's just so packed full of shimmer. I'm here for it. Another easy, super smooth formula. These are so wonderful in terms of how they build up on opacity, and they are not skimping for shimmer at all. I'm going to suggest 2 coats here as well, just normal coats, no need to go in thin or anything, and a glossy top coat, and it is perfect. I'm So Damaged Beyond Repair is a midnight, almost navy blue base filled with red to orange to gold shifting shimmer and micro holographic flakes. Of course, this is one of my top picks for this release. It is stunning. I will never get tired of these deep, dark, rich, starry sky blues packed full of shimmer. And then you add holographic flakes and then you have my heart there. This builds up very metallic-like, and again, easy, smooth formula. 2 coats was all I needed, and a glossy top coat. No need for glitter, smoother, or anything like that. It Hurts to Care It All Now is a slate gray magnetic pigment showing off shifts of lilac, pink, and orange. This has a curly type of formula and builds up, again, very quickly to opacity. These are chef's kiss on their formulas, respectively. I chose to do 2 normal coats. I went in the tiniest bit heavy-handed on that second coat there, and that's just because that's how I apply magnetic polishes. You want to make sure you got plenty of pigment on your nails to magnetize your polish. So showing it off magnetized and unmagnetized, you can see personally, I think it looks much better magnetized, but your preference there, I do think you can definitely pull it off without the magnet. It's a Cold and Broken Hallelujah is a raspberry base with silver, green, and fuchsia shifting shimmer. This is another one that has me thinking of fall. This is a deep, dark, vampy type of raspberry. It is so beautiful, and this is, I don't know, it's magnificent. I'm going to suggest 2 coats on this one as well, and a glossy top coat. It plumps up like a cream, and it's, again, very satisfying. Pleasantly surprised that it was only 2 coats for me, as this is rich and vampy, which typically I tend to build those up on 3 thin coats. So kudos to Great Lakes. I've Been Here, I've Done It is an electric grape filled with aqua to fuchsia shifting shimmer. This is another one of my top picks. It's glorious, beautiful. 2 coats. Again, these are just so easy to build up. I went in normal for myself, which for some of you, especially those of you having shorties or anything like that, that may be considered a touch heavy-handed for you, but they're very forgiving if you want to go in ham like what I do. And again, this is very shifty, packed full of shimmer. It is not lacking for pigment. And this has a stunning purplish type of cast at extreme angles. You Don't Need to Bother is a burgundy filled with blue to purple to pink and red shifting magnetic shimmer and holographic micro flake. It does state in Mariah's notes here, this one has a serious change to it, and she feels it's as close to the original batch as possible unless you magnetize it. So this is another reason why I chose to just flat out show unmagnetized and magnetized for both magnetics. You can see it looks beautiful unmagnetized. And then magnetized, it has that wonderful glowy appearance to it. It is stunning in person. It is just as strong on that glow factor. I will also suggest 2 coats and a good glossy top coat here. Last but not least is You Need a Villain, Give Me a Name. This is a cobalt blue with green to aqua to sapphire shifting shimmer and microflake holographic effect. My third pick for this release. That's kind of hard because I do really like that previous magnetic. But anyways, the blues always have my heart. Again, 2 coats is all you need. This one plumps up very Crelly-like, and I would suggest a good glossy top coat here too, because very much like some of the other shimmer bombs in this set, it's going to dry down pretty flat. And we're going to wrap this up with a quick willet topper segment. This is where I use a black swatch stick to demonstrate if polishes have layering capabilities. Of course, all of these work across the board. Like, just spoiler alert here, they all look beautiful over black. The ones like I Know That Pain, you may want to do like matchy-match mustard, yellow, greens, things like that. But for the most part, I think you can get pretty creative with each of these respectively. The magnetics also pass the test too. I know I typically shy away from recommending toppering them, but I do think you might be able to work with these, again, matchy-match colors. They're so delightfully pigmented, both in shimmer and their base colors. These are just chef's freaking kiss. I cannot rave about these enough. Don't miss out on these. They are absolutely magical. This is also going to be one of the last restocks for the Let It Grow collection. It does state in our PR info here that this will probably be the last one restock of them until she opens again, and then it will be discontinued. The shop is currently open for pre-order from now through July 31st at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I will link you all below to Great Lakes Lacquer so you can get in there if you have not perused the shop just yet. And I'll also link you to the Facebook group if you want to join that too. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.